What's up everybody, this is Danny from My Flying Eyes. So today we're heading to Anza Borrego here in California, and we're gonna take advantage of the last Milky Way photography night of the entire season. So after tonight and probably a few more nights, then it's gonna be gone, the Milky Way. It's gonna go to the south, and it's not gonna be back to the north until probably May, I guess. So tonight we're going to make another try. Last time we used a new lens, which is the Tokina 1120 f 2.8 with the Beltrox speed booster, Beltrox 2, which creates this coma problem. And I've been asking for some advice to some people that use the same lens for Milky Way photography, and so we're gonna try tonight, and we might get some shots with my other lens, which is the Lumix 12-35 millimeters, to play safe, I guess, because with that lens I didn't have any problems, any coma problems, but it would be nice to get a wider shot of the Milky Way. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. Getting there. This is the valley of Borrego Springs, and this is gorgeous. The road is like a mountain road. It's pretty windy, as you can see. We are here. Hey! Just arrived and no one's here, but no one's here. Someone was waiting for me. Look at this. I love it. I love it. There is a grand piano at the lobby. I don't know if it would be in tune, but I would trade my $10 off my breakfast if they let me play and also shoot video of me playing, because it has a sign like please don't touch. Like every piano in every hotel, they have the same sign, please don't touch. I wish that would be true, but it's not. That is not looking good. There was a little problem with the door and the hotel. It couldn't be locked from the outside, so they actually offered me a full refund and going somewhere else, but it was kind of late when I came. So I decided to not change my hotel, but I have to take all my stuff with me. I left my toothbrush inside. If someone wanted to steal my toothbrush, they can get inside and steal it. So anyhow, they offered me like a $10 off on my breakfast or whatever. So I don't feel like having breakfast, but anyway, they were kind of nice. This is a hotel that they're remodeling. They were sold out, so they couldn't give me another room. The good thing was that the door, I was able to lock the door from the inside, so no one is going to attack me at night. At least no one from this world. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is a gift from heaven, from God, that I'm enjoying this morning. It would be nice to swim in the swimming pool, but I don't have time. Jack, he wanted to do some adventures, so they're gonna be tiring adventures, that's for sure. Hey, so we are going a little bit off-road here. So what's this place called?
Split Mountain.
Split Mountain. With
Fish Creek Wash.
Fish Creek Wash. That's the name of the place. So my poor little car is, maybe it would get through this, maybe not. So I decided to leave it here. I didn't saw any regular cars coming from that side. Either no one there, or they're all stuck somewhere in there. I hear shotguns on that side. Thank God we're going the other side. I don't want to get killed by a lost bullet. And the shooting is constant. It's like hell. What are we doing?
Look who's there upon the stairway. Mikey walked out of the billboard. Does he notice me? Looking just like him. Does he even know I exist? Who's that standing on the corner? Looks like me upon the billboard. Why does he want to be me? I wish that I was free like him, but I don't think he knows me at all. Spider-Man, tell me about the wonderland. Lucky as I am, used to make a better Spider-Man.
Okay, I'm doing a little bit of time traveling here. This belongs to another video, another visit, but I came from the future to the past because when I did photograph those guys, I didn't make it on daylight time, so I couldn't see them on daylight. So this is another visit to Anza Borrego. Actually, from that day I came, this is the second time I came back. I don't know, it seems to be a little bit twist to this side. I remember the Milky Way was a little bit like that, and we did photograph those because we didn't make it at daylight, and these were the ones that we could find easy. We came from that road. We found them and we said, okay, let's photograph this. But we didn't see those guys, the mammoths. We didn't see that eagle over there. We didn't see, of course, the dinosaur. We didn't know where they were. So we ended up photographing these guys. Okay, let's go back to the past and to my first visit video. I see you guys in probably 5 months. Bye bye.